In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of OneDrive in Windows 11 5 minutes. If you need to stop OneDrive from syncing on a Windows 11 PC or you want to switch accounts, the quickest way is to sign out by unlinking the computer. This won't delete your files in the cloud and it won't erase the copies already on your PC. It simply stops the connection so nothing new syncs until you sign back in. Start by opening OneDrive from the system tray on the taskbar. Look for the small cloud icon near the clock. If you don't see it right away, click the arrow to show hidden icons and the cloud should appear there. When you click the cloud, the OneDrive panel opens. Next, open the Help and Settings menu. In the top right of the OneDrive panel, click the gear icon labeled Help and Settings. This drops down a menu with options for your app. Choose Settings from that menu. This opens the OneDrive Settings window where you can control preferences for syncing, notifications, and your account. In the Settings window, switch to the Account tab. This tab lists the account currently connected to this PC and shows your storage usage. It's also where you can manage whether certain folders are syncing. To sign out, click Unlink this PC. Unlinking disconnects this computer from the OneDrive account. Your local OneDrive folder remains on the machine, but the app stops syncing changes both ways. Any files you already have on the device stay put, and your files in OneDrive Online remain untouched. Confirm the choice when Windows asks you to unlink account. After a moment, OneDrive will close the connection and you'll see the sign-in prompt in case you want to connect a different account later. At this point, the cloud icon may change or disappear, and File Explorer will show your OneDrive folder as a regular local folder until you reconnect. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you use multiple OneDrive accounts, make sure you're unlinking the right one by checking the address on the Account tab. If you were syncing desktop documents or pictures, they'll stop updating across devices until you sign back in. And if you decide to reconnect, just open OneDrive from the Start menu and sign in to resume syncing. That's it. You've successfully signed out of OneDrive in Windows 11.